Are you part of a quantum community? And do you want to organize a quantum computing workshop at your department, society, or academic club? We are here for you. Schedule a free 1 to 3 hours workshop held by our amazing team members. All you need is to gather a group between 30 to 100 quantum enthusiasts. All the rest is on us. Our workshop isn't yet another lecture. It's a one-off interactive deep dive into the practical aspects of quantum computing. We'll move beyond theory to explore real-world applications and tools that will shape the future of research and technology. We at Classic are leading the revolution of quantum software development with the unique approach of high-level functional design, which enables experts and novices to create state-of-the-art quantum algorithms. So who is it for? If you belong to a group of curious people, passionate about quantum technologies and eager to get hands-on with the next wave of quantum computing technology, this workshop is for you. Whether you're a physics, math, computer science, or engineering student or faculty member, you'll gain valuable and actionable insights. We have an exciting program for you. We will build quantum algorithms while focusing on high-level functional design, explore Classic's new modeling language, experience Classic's powerful synthesis engine, and deep dive into quantum functions and algorithms. We will also explore the pre-built models library across various domains and visualization tools that bring your quantum circuits to life. By organizing a workshop with us, you'll gain not only knowledge but tools to experiment, innovate, and apply quantum computing. This is a chance to boost your local quantum community and to learn by doing, asking questions, getting personalized guidance from our expert instructors, and applying quantum applications in ways that matter. Don't miss out. Our free workshops fill up fast, so secure your spot now.